Hi, my name is Darian Bolton. My major is kinesiology, and today I'm going to be discussing the supplement ketones. So, there are several different types, and I have included a few pictures on the screen just to show you the different brands and everything like that who are producing ketones. So the one that we're going to be discussing today is the exogenous, which is a source outside of the body. And the most popular ketone that is purchased is the beta hydroxybutyrate, which is more stable and more reduced than the other options. So the average price per serving is about $2.33. So it can get a little bit pricey, but from research, it does state that the BHB version is usually the more affordable, but they can get pretty pricey and get quite up there. So what do ketones do? The purpose of ketones is to induce ketosis in the body. They may have an ergogenic effect when taking the supplement, and the consumption of ketones has been noted to enhance performance in endurance athletes by decreasing central fatigue and improving cognitive function. And in animals, it's also reported to improve metabolic efficiency. That study was specifically done in rats, but no studies have been done on humans to see if there is an improvement in the metabolic efficiency. And the bottom quote just states that data suggests that acute nutritional ketosis by consumption of exogenous ketones has dramatic effect on skeletal muscle metabolism during exercise and can confer a performance benefit to elite athletes. So my analysis of the claims is that ingesting ketones will enhance cognitive function and oxidation in skeletal muscle in elite athletes, but it seems to have no claim on untrained individuals. Many questions still seem to be unanswered, and more research should be done to understand if this is truly beneficial to untrained individuals or beginner individuals, and then to obtain more details on the effects of the supplement. So as far as safety issues, there weren't a lot to be found. The only things really noted were that if someone is taking ketone salts, it may be unsafe for someone who has high blood pressure or heart issues, any history of heart disease. And then for the others, the main side effects were gastrointestinal issues if they were taking them consecutively. So people noted that after about 5 days of taking the supplement, they noticed some GI issues like nausea, diarrhea, flatulence, and then some even reported dizziness. So those subjects were told to take the supplement less frequently. So overall, would I recommend this? Based on the research and the things that I read, the different studies, I would not recommend this simply because there's not enough research that has been done to prove the benefits of this on all types of athletes. So they really focused on elite cyclists when studying this. So I feel like they should further study, beginner athletes, different levels of athleticism, and really see how beneficial it is and the different effects on it. So you also can't really see if the benefits outweigh the negative. It doesn't seem to have much harm, but it's also a new product. It's very new in the keto fad diet and world. So there's just not a whole lot of information on it to really determine if it's okay to take, if it's going to have some serious side effects, and if it's really going to make a big difference as far as weight loss and things like that. So just because of the lack of information, I would not recommend for someone to take this. If they did take it, I would say, do the research, be very cautious, and really understand what you're putting in your body. And then these are just my sources that I use. These 2 articles are where I got most of my information. They were really interesting, and they both discuss the studies on elite cyclists, and they were very informative and pretty interesting on the ketone supplement and the process. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about ketones and the different studies that they did, you should definitely check these out. Thank you.